Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a 20-minute scarf. And I used Lion Brand Hometown USA yarn, and it's a super bulky weight, but you could also use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. And with this bulky yarn, I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. And anytime you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Start with a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your scarf to be, in multiples of 5 plus 4. I started with chain 144, and I used approximately 65 yards of yarn. So start with a slip knot, and I chained 144. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make a shell. Double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a shell in the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, and 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch, like that. And then you will continue to do that all the way down your foundation chain and then fasten off. And for wearing it, I folded it in half, wrapped it around the neck, and then pulled these 2 ends through, like that. So you can wear it like that, or you can fold it up and attach a shawl pin. And I placed a link below so you can learn how to make these shawl pins. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make this 20-minute scarf. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.